That all Christian denominations may strive towards attaining full unity, and by so doing, witness the perfect unity that exists among three persons of the Blessed Trinity. Let us pray to the Lord. For the sick and for the ongoing church project, that God may heal the sick and make possible the quick completion of our church building project and for other intentions. Let us pray to the Lord. For the dead, especially those of our parish, community, and family members, that they may find eternal rest with the Lord. Let us pray to the